Today's data centers face unprecedented challenges, balancing skyrocketing demand, increasing cost, and competition for energy resources, all while they must keep operations running in real time. So how can IT leaders feel confident their backup power is available when they need it most? They trust Toshiba. Toshiba's latest innovation, the 3000 SP series Uninterruptible Power System, delivers unmatched reliability and efficiency for mission-critical operations. With a modular design and scalable architecture, the 3000 SP series supports a broad range of applications, making it the ideal solution for edge data centers, IT enterprise systems, and commercial markets. With exceptional quality and efficiency, the 3000 SP series offers several advantages over others. Unity power factor, easy expansion and customization, easy serviceability with hot-swappable modules, and advanced monitoring and control capabilities. Plus, with RemotEye 5, Toshiba's latest version of intelligent analytics built in, you can easily monitor the performance of your UPS. With AI-powered load forecasting, RemotEye 5 allows you to anticipate, prepare, and scale up for peak demand to make better capacity planning choices and schedule maintenance during low usage. All backed by a 3-year warranty and supported by an international network of authorized service providers. And brought to you by the brand known for engineering excellence, the Toshiba 3000 SP series UPS. Trusted reliability for your mission-critical operations